Maybe I want to chop. Are they hungry? Yeah, can we go and get something to eat like that? Hey, Puna de America. But this place is one of the finest. We call it Rizan, the finest in Borno State ever.
This place,
yeah,
too local, man.
Baby, it's not only you're gonna enjoy it. It's not about the outside. When you go to inside,
no, baby, even though you are going in, I'm not going to do anything. This place is
Allah. Okay, now just take me in. Let me just go chop. You know me with Belen now.
I langa langa Omona so the thing go. I langa langa Na show you man story.
Babe, when did this one come?
this iPad. I got it back then in PS.
I waiting.
iPad.
Diga.
No, just like
Give me all this one, baby. We will not get this one on my own. Give me I will share the phone. America. I did look at fine with this American place. Hey now. See me you do me. I don't go for it. Someone me a good thing of now. Are you sure but you don't chop anything here? How will we leave this place? Careful. You mean waiting there America pass here? Hey, me I think say this is that the best one where I feel everybody just like that won't come here. America. Hey, America touch. Hey, America. That's so now. Okay, waiter. Hey, waiter. I've been a menu on music.
No, baby, it's menu. It's waiter. It's not waiter.
Waiter.
Yeah.
See, I'm calling you like music. I mean, like sing like that. Let's sing it. America. In your shop, even though now waiter, we're not in a waiter. Even in America, I don't feel like you. Hey, wait. Now that can't be now. It makes sense. Oh, come on. Look up at it. Waiter. Hey, they come avec Mr. Waiter. See your waiter too fine, bro. The guy gets swag. You know, see, he's the best waiter. Guys.
Sir, should I give you the menu?
No, just ready down. Waiter. Just read waiting I get.
We have chips and egg.
Chips.
Yes, sir.
Bring them.
Okay, no.
Bring them now.
Noodles and egg.
Noodles and egg. Bring them too.
Okay, rice toast, bread, tea and Nescafe.
Jesus. Bring that one.
No, we have pepper soup.
Pepper soup.
Yeah.
Oh, go waiter. Don't do it now.
We have chicken. We have jollof rice.
Yeah. Bring that one, Jollof. That one when they do chicken like that.
Yes,
Where rice there and something.
Yes,
Bring that one.
Indomie, kidney and sauce.
Indomie kidney, yeah. But bring that one too. Okay, wait, I need that. But bring everyone. I want you to break this place, Moon and break down.
And we get suya.
Suya. Down where Aboki they do that kind of thing.
Yes, sir.
Near one. Babe, suya. No, no, get that for there. Suya, you know suya.
Baby, I don't know suya.
Una no have in America. Una America they crazy. Okay, wait, they don't know suya. She don't know Aboki. Cut out. I like her. Suya, man. I bet they'll go wait.
Just on the beat.
Oh boy, see my God, don't miss. I claim America.
I langa Omona so the thing go. I langa Na show you man story. I take a car on the go. my crib, no be small thing. I cook for my room and I cash for my kitchen. I chop my tea and I drink my bread. Oh yo, I play.
You know what, John?
Nigerian lads, I know say you know what job American business.
If you should say you're okay. You better say you just say like, it's like you don't say like, I'm there, say something about you. Hey, oh Jesus, Chai. You don't say for Nigeria that like this you do. If you come like that.
I'm on a Sunday thing, say, I langa, that's what the thing go. I langa, that's how you man story. And so I take another shot for a vibe. Stepping at me, who don't know them can they vibe. I said, this I say you are ball like you are ball like because every swear to talk, I'm no they lie. As you see me, so I know.
This is what you do. Let's your hand speedy go. I believe your hand speedy. You want to touch my phone? America, baby, no worry. America now, no worry. America. Mona happy, American baby. Mona happy, American baby. Mona happy, Mona happy.
Suya, baby Suya, sewo, Suya, one Suya, baby. I believe how I get. Oh, you're under. I beg you, give me Suya, let me chop.
We go on again. Thank you very much for watching Mr. 007 Love Matter. I hope you enjoy it. I beg, just a thought. Our Nigerian girls, Mona know they lie now. Be yourself now. Oh yeah, now we go do them again, same time, same day, next week. Please click the button and subscribe. I beg Mona they get this more change. Mona, why Mona they invest me now? Waka. I beg no be Mona. Now the cameraman. I didn't saw myself. Waka. Okay, I enjoy it. Take care. Thank you very much.
You know, darling, hey, I'm gonna show you I'm quaint.